As the country faces a looming third wave of COVID-19, the IEC says it is open to reviewing its calendar if the situation becomes dire. The third and last installment of by-elections is due to take place on the 30th of June, and voter registration weekend will take place on the 17th to the 18th of July.
The Commission is on record having stated that if cases of COVID-19 reach a stage where the Department of Health determines that they are uncontrollable, the Commission would have to reassess its position at that time and take the necessary measures, which may include an approach to the Constitutional Court for the postponement of registration or election period for as short a period as possible.
Wednesday's by-elections are taking place across the country's 7 provinces, with Gauteng having the most wards. The province is now currently experiencing a third wave. The second phase of the country's vaccine rollout has begun. The Commission says the current drive will have little or no impact on the special votes and by-elections.
We do not foresee any impact of the inoculation rollout on the by-election tomorrow and for special votes and for the by-elections on Wednesday. We hope that it will have a positive spin-off in the medium to long term, because the plan of government is to have 67% of the population inoculated. So we hope that if we reach those figures, it will have a positive impact on the psyche of the voting population.
Over a week ago, the Commission tabled its budget in Parliament, which still needs to be ratified by National Treasury. The Commission had a rollover from last year to the tune of 1.3 billion rand, but due to COVID-19, 35 million rand had to be cut. Although the budget constraints will have an impact on the work of the Commission, the IEC has had to change its strategy for voter education, but is confident that it will not have a negative impact on voter turnout.
We have to unavoidably change our strategy as it relates to voter education and interaction with voters. Out of necessity, we are cutting down on face-to-face interaction with voters, and we're pushing the majority of our content onto social media platforms, into new media. We know also from our research that the majority of South Africans still prefer radio as a primary source of information. So for that reason, we will be pushing a lot of content into radio, both community radio and mainstream radio station. But the bulk of our outreach work will have, out of necessity, be on new media platforms that avoid physical contact between ourselves and voters.
Over 10,000 people have registered for special votes on Tuesday, whilst 362,965 people are eligible to vote in Wednesday's by-elections. 40 wards across 25 municipalities in 251 voting districts across 7 provinces are up for grabs. Natasha Phiri, SABC News, Johannesburg.